can go over there and ask for more information. And also, not just that, we are also here to promote the first season of MMPAA Rising Stars.
Oh yes, we are also here to promote the very first contest of MMPAA Rising Stars. So this MMPAA Rising Stars is a contest with two parts. Duha siya ka part ang ato ang contest sa MMPAA. Ang first part mo ang online competition wherein the contestants gather likes and votes. Kung kailangan na bang likes sa Facebook, also on Facebook.
Share pag may time, di ba?
You gather likes and votes. And then, the second part would be the live performances.
Yes.
And then the live performances is based also on the results of the online competition. Kaya katong mga contestants na makakuha og 100 likes, automatic na ma-proceed sa live semi-finals before sila ma-proceed sa grand finals.
Oh, di ba? It's gonna...
Ayun na kayo.
100 likes na. So, if na kay 500, di ba, siya mo pwede vote ni mo. Grabe. Pagka-bitter naman ang dyan sa imong friends, no?
Pero not just that.
Oh, ano ba?
Ang katong contestant na makakuha og 250 likes,
250 lang?
Oh, automatic nga mosulod sa grand finals.
Wow!
Hindi na siya ma-stress sa semi-finals.
Diba?
Ning-ana ba ka sa'yo ng atuang contest?
Yes,
Ano
very
yung mga
easy.
requirements para ma-appeal?
Of course, to join, you have to be between 6 to 12 years old. Okay? Katong mga bata nga ganahan mo appeal, or for those parents nga ganahan i-expose ilang children to join contest para ganang, you know, ma-boost ilang confidence.
Mapakita sa ilang talent.
Yes. Again, in between 6 to 12 years old, then also you have to bring with you
Birth certificate.
NSO or birth certificate.
Yes, then you have to fill out the form.
Okay.
And then you need to produce a one-by-one picture, close-up picture,
And
and full body picture.